Hello everyone. Today I talk about how to use Schneider OFS factory service to set up EcoStruxure control expert communication with KEPServer. First, I create a small project. We first start a program. Okay, this program is lamp 1, number 2 is on off linter. Okay, so now we start OFS factory service called OFS. Okay, configurate. Create new one. D OPCDA. OPCDA. Okay. Delete old one. Yeah. We double click address. We still use simulation, so with 127 0 0 1. Okay. Here is the mark. Default device type we choose Multicam M340. Here's Multicam 340. Okay. $340. Okay. Yeah. We save. Okay. In here, different OPC UA. In OPC UA have a security there. Here's no security. Okay. Then go to OPC factory service. Look, here's running. It's working very well. So we can test it. Client. We choose Schneider OFS. New one. Yes. Go to here. Add item. OPC. Here. Okay. Add. Okay. Time. Add. Close. Is validation. Okay. Here's always working. So we don't need this one. Now we start KEPServer. We collect new channel. We choose OPCDA. Yeah. In my previous view, I choose OPCUA. I use OPCUA client. Now I use OPCDA client. select service, go to here, local machine, we choose Schneider OFS, okay? Next, double click here, device, which is keep. We click here, save, select, import item, okay? In here, we can see all this OPC, all the start, add, stop, lamp 1, lamp 2, okay, okay, next, that's it. So all in here, in here, in here, all the tag, okay? Now we go to quick client, we can see only here. Now we can testing, we start the PLC. You can see here it's working, is the time 1 is on. After 5 seconds, time 2 is on. So is lamp 1, lamp 2 is on, off. Yeah, that's it, okay? Now see. Okay, disconnect. That's it. So, the key point, just you remember every time if your Schneider PLC communicate with the SCADA or use the OPC, DA, OPC, UA, you have to figure out is a tiger is available, is all HMI available, should be marked. Then go to tools, go to project setting. Here, all the data dictionary is marked. Only HMI variable is marked. And here it's marked, okay? Otherwise, maybe it's not working. You can't see this variable in the OPC servers, OPC client, okay? Okay, thank you very much.